Designing a logo can be a fun and rewarding process, but it can also be challenging. Here are some steps you can follow to design a logo. First, define the purpose of the logo. What message do you want the logo to convey? Who is the target audience? Second, research and gather inspiration. Look at other logos in your industry or for similar businesses to get an idea of what has been done before. Take note of the colors, shapes, and fonts that are commonly used. Third, sketch out some ideas. Start by sketching out a few rough ideas on paper. This can help you brainstorm and explore different concepts. Fourth, choose colors and fonts. Select colors and fonts that are appropriate for your business and that will appeal to your target audience. Avoid using too many colors or fonts, as this can make the logo look cluttered. Fifth, create a digital version of the logo. Use a graphic design program like Adobe Illustrator to create a clean, polished version of your logo. Sixth, test the logo. Show the logo to a few people and get their feedback. Is the message clear? Is the logo memorable and visually appealing? Make any necessary revisions based on the feedback you receive. Remember, a logo is a crucial part of a company's branding, so take the time to create a logo that effectively represents your business. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.